Hello, our art friend. Today in Kitty Kanjo, we are going to learn how to draw Super Mario. So let's start drawing. We are going to start with the nose. Draw a big oval shape. Then draw an incomplete oval shape for the eye, partially hidden behind the nose. And close it at the bottom with a curved line. Make two smaller oval shapes inside for the iris and the pupil. Also make them partially hidden behind the nose. Color the pupil, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Repeat the same steps on the other side to make the other eye. Draw half a moon shape over each eye for the eyebrow. Draw a line coming out from each side of the nose. Connect them together at the bottom with a wavy line. Finish the mustache. Under the mustache, draw a line for the mouth. Then draw a wide U shape to finish the mouth. Draw a horizontal line inside the mouth at the top for the teeth. Then draw the tongue at the bottom. Draw the face outline around the face features, making the part around the mustache and mouth wider. Draw the sideburns on both sides of the face. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw the left ear at the same level of the nose. Draw a curved line on top of the face, intersecting the eyebrows. Then another curved line over it to make Mario's cap's brim. Then draw a large curved line on top to finish the hat. Draw two lines coming down from the bottom of the face on the right side. Close them with a wide letter V at the bottom to finish the overall strap. Draw a circle near the end to make the button. Then make the other strap similarly on the left side. Connect them with a line in the middle. Then draw a curved line coming out from the right side. Then a long curved line extending downwards. End it with two curved lines at the bottom. Then a shorter line going up to make the leg. Draw a small curved horizontal line going to the left, then a vertical curved line to start making the other leg, then an upside down letter U near the strap to make the bended leg. Draw the shoe at the bottom of this leg by drawing an incomplete oval shape. Under it, draw half an oval shape. And half a circle for the sole. At the bottom of the other leg, draw half an oval shape for the other shoe. Draw 2 long lines going up from the right side of the overall to make the arm. Ending with 2 curved lines for the bottom of the glove. Then draw the fist by doing the thumb first, then 4 folded fingers. Draw a letter V coming out from the left strap and a small line coming out from the side of the knee to make the other arm. End it with 2 curved lines for the bottom of the glove. Again, draw the fist by drawing the thumb first, then 4 folded fingers as well. Decorate the overall by drawing some lines around the waistline and a line for the pocket. On Mario's cap, make the letter M in the middle. Make it 3D, drawing a smaller letter M under it and connecting them together at the bottom. Draw a circle around the letter M. Mamma mia! Now you can draw Super Mario. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some part of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. like this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe.